Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a highly requested makeup transformation. I'm doing Jareth from Labyrinth. I've been asked to do this character for years and years and years, and I thought about doing a Bowie look, but obviously if I'm going to do a Bowie look, I should do it from this particular movie. I think it's going to be super fun. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So I've covered my eyebrows, and the first thing I'm going to do is do the iconic eye makeup, and then after that I'm going to contour my face to look like his, contour my nose, try to do those iconic like contours on the side of the nose and the jawline and cheekbones and all of that jazz. So as you can see, I'm just working on this very iconic eye makeup. The eyebrows kind of go up with the eye makeup, so I'm going to use paint to kind of define those more and just keep fanning out the edges. He has darkness kind of all around the eyes, so I'm just working on that first. So he has one blue eye and one brown eye, so I went ahead and did that now before I forget. And then I am gonna like refine details on this at some point, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the contours of my face. So as you can see, I'm just working on the highlights right now. I'm about to start working on the shadows of my face. The last thing I'm going to do is do my wig so I don't have to work around the hair, but so far so good. So I've been contouring, I made my nostrils more like his, I contoured my lips, I added that like gold shine that's kind of iconic with his makeup, and I did my cheekbones and I contoured the darker parts of my face. I'm gonna put the wig on to get kind of the full picture before I decide like what finishing details I should do. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I'm so glad I finally did this look. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. I feel like I really nailed the contours of my face, and I think I look like him. What do you think? I'll see you next time.